everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to stop battery draining fast on Android. So to do that, let's head over to on the top, swipe, and in here you can turn or reduce the screen brightness. It will help to stop draining the battery fast. And the second thing you can do is turn off your location when it is not needed. And the third thing you can try is disabling the background apps that is running. You have to go to your settings and then go to the search option, search for background apps. So you can see which apps are running on background. You can just turn them off from here. And the last but not the least is there is always an option of power saving mode in here. You can go to this power saving mode and turn it on, and it will limit the CPU speed, decrease the brightness, and it will help you to stop battery draining fast. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.